At Cascadia College, we're lucky to study in one of the most beautiful parts of the country. But living in the Pacific Northwest also means preparing for earthquakes. Knowing what to do if the ground starts shaking can make all the difference. Let's go through the essentials. If you are inside a building or a classroom when the shaking begins, remember to do these three things: drop, cover, and hold on. Drop to your hands and knees. This keeps you from being knocked over. Cover your head and neck under a sturdy desk or table, and hold on until the shaking stops. If there's no desk nearby, crouch next to an interior wall and protect your head with your arms. Stay away from windows, open staircases, and elevators, or anything that could fall. If you are anywhere outdoors, move to an open area away from buildings, trees, and power lines. Then drop and cover your head. Do not run inside a building. Most injuries happen from falling objects, not collapsing buildings. If you are driving, move your car out of traffic and stop. Do not stop on or under a bridge or under trees or power lines. If you're in a garage, stay in your car. When the shaking ends, stay alert. Aftershocks are common. Check yourself and others for injuries. Wait for instructions from campus safety, and calmly head to a designated evacuation area for further instructions. Cascadia is prepared and ready to respond if an earthquake occurs. You can help by staying calm and remembering: drop, cover, and hold on. Your safety always comes first.